Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Twilio SendGrid to AWS SES with verification step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Twilio SendGrid account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the settings menu. Choose the API keys section. Create a new API key by clicking on the Create API Key button. Copy the newly generated API key and store it securely. Next, log into your AWS Management Console. Search for the SES service in the AWS Services list. Once on the SES dashboard, verify your domain. Click on Domains in the left sidebar. Select Verify a new domain. Enter your domain name and click on the Verify this domain button. AWS will provide you with DNS records that need to be added to your domain's DNS provider. Access your domain's DNS settings. Add the provided TXT record for domain verification. If you plan to send emails from multiple addresses, consider adding corresponding MX and SPF records as well. Return to the AWS SES dashboard and monitor the status of your domain verification. Once verified, you will see a success message next to your domain name. Next, create SMTP credentials in AWS SES. Click on SMTP settings in the left sidebar. Select Create My SMTP Credentials. Fill in the required information and create a new IAM user. Make sure to copy the SMTP username and password provided, as you will need them later. Now, configure your application to use AWS SES for sending emails. Replace your Twilio SendGrid API key with the SMTP credentials just created. Set the SMTP server address to email smtp region.amazonaws.com, replacing region with the appropriate AWS region. Ensure you set the correct port for SMTP, which is usually 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Test sending an email from your application to confirm the integration is successful. Finally, monitor your SES sending quota and ensure compliance with AWS policies regarding email sending. With these steps, your transition from Twilio SendGrid to AWS SES should be complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.